Imagine a world where your bank transactions are processed in such a way that even if everyone in your city decides to transfer money at the exact same moment, every transaction is processed flawlessly without any hindrance. This is the power of Serializable Snapshot Isolation, SSI, in action. Serializable Snapshot Isolation is a concurrency control mechanism that allows transactions to operate on a database snapshot, ensuring serializability without locking the database resources. It achieves this by maintaining versions of data objects, allowing reads to access a consistent snapshot while writes proceed concurrently. SSI works by employing two key mechanisms. First, it captures a snapshot at the transaction's start. This snapshot is made possible by versioning data, where each write generates a new version of a data object. Second, it uses a validation phase at commit time to ensure that no conflicting writes have been committed since the snapshot was taken. While SSI offers high levels of concurrency and consistency, it's not without its trade-offs. The versioning of data objects increases storage requirements, and the validation phase can add latency to transactions, especially in write-heavy workloads. Furthermore, SSI's reliance on precise timing for snapshots and validations makes it sensitive to system clock skew in distributed environments. In essence, serializable snapshot isolation represents a balanced choice for systems requiring strong consistency without sacrificing too much on performance. It's a powerful tool in the arsenal of database technologies, suitable for scenarios where accuracy and integrity of transactions are paramount.